And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's your man's Jonah, and I know I've been away for quite a while. I've been away for a while and just had to do a lot of behind the scenes things, and I'm back. I'm back today. We are getting close to Valentine's Day, and if you have been following me on social medias or Instagram, Facebook, anywhere, Twitter, or even just checking up on the website frequently back to back, you'll see that I have been preparing for the pre-orders for Valentine's Day. Really, the BHWS hoodies, the His and Hers collection, and it's been a lot. I've had a lot to do behind the scenes. I'm tired. I'm really tired, bro. But yeah, just had to stay away from YouTube for a little bit, and I'm back now, trying to stay more consistent and post up more frequently. Maybe I might start doing reaction videos. I don't know yet, but we're gonna make it happen. So for those that don't know, this is going to be my last year working 9 to 5, and we're gonna speak it into existence for sure. 2021, my last year working a 9 to 5. Let's get it. So but nonetheless, today I received a very special package in the mail. What is that? I will show you in just a bit. But it's a very special package, and like I said, we're preparing for the Valentine's Day hoodie drop. So that's going to be in 3 more days. You guys will probably be watching this video right after pre-orders actually stops and drops or whatever the heck. But yeah, right here we got some merch. We got some garment, really, because it's not merch yet. I can't sell this yet. It's just blank hoodie. But yeah, this blank hoodie right here, the light pink or light rose pink, I forgot what exactly it's called, but we've got these for the hers, and then we got the black ones for the his side of the collection. And really, I'm actually making myself a pink one. So yeah, you know, real men wear pink. So with that being said, I actually got a new vendor for my hoodies as well. See, what I got on right now for the color blocks is the Gildan. This right here is a whole nother vendor. I think it's called Circle Clothing. And I actually got recommended, or I got the recommendation to use them or check them out for real from Stan Banks on YouTube. I'll have a link to his page and everything on the video once I edit everything. But yeah, I love the quality on their hoodies. Their hoodies are dope. It's just a very limited colors and sizes for those that are taking orders. But I definitely want to recommend you guys try them out. I love how thick the hoodies are, and it shows really good quality and for very cheap too. I think just starting off, the hoodies are $11.99, and they got pants, t-shirts, face masks, and I'm assuming they're gonna have a lot more coming. So yeah, definitely go and check them out. I have a link for them on the bottom as well. So let's get into it. Alright, so I was actually gonna make a unboxing video, but this was actually my first Supacolor order, and I was really hyped to see how everything turned out. Honestly, I opened up the box when I picked it up, and I really couldn't contain myself. I know that's bad. Our content for YouTube, but honestly, I was so excited, and I was nervous to really see how the quality was of my prints. But yeah, that is the special delivery today, y'all. We got showing y'all my address and but yeah, my first order from Supacolor. I'll make a video about this another time, definitely not today, but I guess this would just be it for real. I mean, it shouldn't be that much. So, my first order from Supacolor. Let's check it out. There we have the BS logo. Again, it's got the kind of like a stone wall crack type look to it, with the rose petals on it. And obviously we've got the thunderbolt here on the bottom. I'm not sure if the video is focusing on that, but hopefully you guys can actually see that. So yeah, just wanted to make it look kind of like a stone wall and include the rose petals on it. Kind of make it Valentine's, but not too much Valentine's on there. So that'll go on the front of the hoodie. And then we've got the star of the show right there. Broken Hearts Weather the Storm. This will be the back piece. And honestly, I'm really content with the quality of the print. I think everything came out looking really dope. If it doesn't look, or I guess if it's not focused and if it's blurry, I'll definitely get better footage and pictures and add that on to the end of the video. But just so that y'all can see what it looks like, this is definitely a design that I came up with. As you can see, we've got the rose, just the rose petals here and there. And then we've got the lightning streaks. You know what it is. Let's get it. And as y'all can see, I got the Color Blocks hoodie on today. Definitely go ahead and get that right now at www.BSAPPRL.com. Look at that right there. That's the back. You see the colors on that. We got the stamp right here. Official. Come on. Thunderbolts on the hoodie part right there. Let's get it. That's it. Come on. And then we got the front over here. Yeah. Going over and place an order right now. Like, right now. Go shop. Some fly merch. Support. It's alright. So, I think I want to do the front first. Yeah. Let's go with that. Alright. So, these hoodies are really thick, y'all. I'm curious to see how they'll be during the summertime. I like wearing hoodies in the summertime and the spring. Summertime like that. So, I'm curious. It's going to be too hot to have these shits on. Alright, so bet. So, if y'all haven't already, definitely want to get yourself some heat press pillows. I think that's what it is on Amazon. I probably paid about $15 and it came with these 3 sizes right here. Oh. So you got the big joint right there, you got the medium joint right there, and then you got the small joint right there. These are a lifesaver though. These, if you started off doing presses without any these pillows, heat press pillows, you will see a difference in the quality of the press, and it just makes the job that much easier. Definitely want to recommend you get these. You could get this set for like $15, I think. They even got the set that comes with the heat transfer tape, I guess, something like that. But yeah, definitely look on Amazon. Very cheap, and you definitely want to get these. I'd recommend them at least. So we'll go ahead and get these in under here. I know a lot of people have different techniques of how they press and everything, but I've seen a few people where they'll put the hoodie on the other way around with the hood over here this way and kind of put it upside down, so to say. And I mean, that's cool to know. I've tried it, so I prefer having it this way. So I'm gonna put my glasses on too. No, I'm getting old and so the wallet press has already been on for quite some time. I've actually had some other sweaters to heat up or press up before this video, and so the wallet press is now at 310 degrees Fahrenheit. And again, we are doing we are pressing Supacolor, which you get in the mail, it'll come in a bag like this. They do recommend, let's see if it shows. Looks like it says press temp between 290 and 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and press time 10 to 15 seconds, and then the pressure will be about 40 psi. Just a really firm press on that. So yeah, let's see. So with this, we'll do just a pre-press, and then we'll figure out exactly where we're going to do our placement for the front logo. So, yeah. With this, normally pre-press, I don't like to actually close it all the way, but being that we do have the pillow under there, I want to make sure that it does close all the way. So just kill two birds with one stone. So we'll get the pre-press done, and then we also make sure that the pressure is right on this. So for anybody that's starting out with pressing or heat pressing, and again, this is my first time using Supacolor, but I'm assuming it's kind of the same thing with vinyl to a certain extent. You'll find your most comfortable ways to press and kind of align everything up, and just through YouTube and trials and error. Yeah, I kind of use my hands and the actual sweater itself and my my eyesight to kind of measure and make that judgment on what's the best placement. So let's see this. So normally I try to line it up with the seam of the hoodie or of the crew bed. So I try to line it up kind of like that visually from there, and then at least 3 inches off of the collar here. So honestly, I just kind of use the width of my hands. We'll do about somewhere around there. And again, that's just kind of give it take. I still got to visually see what looks best. And then you just got to kind of make sure that everything is straight too. So yeah, let's see. And what helps me too is just kind of lifting up the bottom of the hoodie right here, making sure everything is straight. And if it looks good with everything aligned down here, to me it's good. Looks about right. So again, I just try to align with the seam up here on the hoodie. On the left side of the hoodie, it'll be your right, and then at least give or take about 3 inches off the collar right here. So I think that should be pretty alright. Alright, that seems about right. Seems good to me. Again, let's go ahead and lift up on the bottom, make sure that this is good. It looks about straight, not really. Let's bring this in just a bit. At least a 15-second press, and then we're going to peel hot. Peel hot, y'all. Peel hot. So let's see, I'm nervous. This is my first Supacolor press, and this is actually my hoodie, so the hoodie for me. Then I guess kind of like the rule of thumb is whenever you start seeing a fabric kind of coming in through the print,
Depo
that means it's good. It should be pretty locked in there. Let's get that back done. I'm going, I'm water, I'm tripping. Alright, make sure everything's lined up. And again, y'all, this is my first time using the Supacolor presses. Here, just want to make sure you get any little particles off the hoodie or off the fabric. Don't want that to be stuck on the bottom of it, and then it'll make kind of like a little bubble on your print or vinyl or whatever it may be. And just takes away from the quality. So take your time, get that out. Dog, I don't know, my shit is acting up. So that's it for today. I'm tired. That'll be all for today's video. Just want to show you guys the BHWS hoodie, and again, that's the Broken Hearts Weather the Storm hoodie. Yeah, just want to show that off to you guys. I've got a few orders, but I need some more people to actually place orders, pre-orders. Pre-orders will be done on Monday the 8th. That'll be the last day to place your pre-order to get your order by Valentine's Day, which will be on Sunday the 14th. So, support your local small businesses. Help us. Just like, comment, share. Buy a face mask, $5. Buy a hoodie, $40. I got $30 hoodies. I got $16, $17 shirts. I'm trying to make everything affordable for you all. And, we're just trying to run it up too. So, like I said, just help support your local businesses, your small businesses, and yeah, peace and love. Brainstorm. Oh, also, the website, www.BSAPPRL.com. I'll have a link on the bottom. Follow the brand on Instagram. The same thing, BSAPPRL. Same thing on Facebook. I believe Twitter is actually going to be my personal Twitter, BSJONA. That's BS Jonah, BSJONA. And then same thing for my personal Instagram. That's the BSJONA, or not really personal Instagram, but just my Instagram. Definitely comment, like, show some love, share the page, share the website. Help me help you get fly, spend some money, break some bread. Let's get it.